Use a 3mm hex key to loosen the screws that fix the right turn signal. Remove the right turn signal. Disconnect the terminal of the right turn signal. Install the handlebar tightening ring. Connect the turn signal terminal. Install the turn signal light. Tighten the fixing screws torque, 2.5 plus 05 and N. Use a 3mm hex key to loosen the screws securing the left hand indicator. Remove the left turn signal. Disconnect the wire harness terminal. Use a crosshead screwdriver to remove the first screws that fix the lower shell of the instrument. Use a 2.5mm hex key to unscrew one screw that secures the lower case of the instrument. Use a crosshead screwdriver to remove two screws that fix the handlebar crossbar decorative shell. Remove the handlebar crossbar decorative shell. Use tweezers to remove the rubber plug on the bottom shell of the instrument. Use a crosshead screwdriver to remove the two screws under the rubber plug of the instrument bottom shell. Pry and remove the bottom shell of the instrument. Cut the cable tie and remove the wire harness terminals on both sides. Disconnect the wire harness terminals on both sides. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the two screws that fix the instrument. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the screws that fasten the handlebars. Remove the handlebars and disconnect the main control wire terminal. Pull the wire harness out from inside the handlebar crossbar. Remove the instrument. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 6 screws that fasten the upper cover of the instrument. Remove the upper cover of the instrument. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the two screws that fix the dashboard. Use tweezers to remove the waterproof rubber stopper. Take out the wire harness from the rubber stopper. Remove the dashboard. Pull out the corresponding turn signal light harness. Plug in the wire harness provided in the accessory kit. Install the dashboard. Screw in the 2 fixing screws torque 0601 and N. Clip the wire harness into the rubber stopper. Install the rubber stopper. Install the upper cover of the instrument. Screw in the 6 fixing screws torque 0.501 and N. Apply 703 silicone rubber at the root of the instrument wire harness. Insert the turn signal wire harness and the main control wire into the handlebar crossbar. Align with the arrow and insert the terminal of the main control wire. Install the handlebars back. Thread the wire harness into the handlebar crossbar sheet metal. Screw in the fixing screws torque 0801 and N. Screw in the screws for fixing the handlebars torque less than 08 and M. Put a waterproof wire harness sleeve on the wire harness terminal. Fill the waterproof sleeve with 703 silicone rubber. Tie with a cable tie. Put on a waterproof wire sleeve on the other side in the same manner. Fill the waterproof sleeve with 703 silicone rubber. Tie with a cable tie. Connect the right turn signal terminal. Install the right turn signal. Connect the terminal of the left turn signal. Fold the wire harness as shown in the video and tuck it into the handlebar crossbar. Install the left turn signal. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the lower housing of the instrument back. Be careful not to pinch the wiring harness. Reinstall the handlebar crossbar decorative parts. Screw in the fixing screws torque 1201 and N. Screw in the 2 screws that fix the middle side of the instrument bottom shell. Install the rubber plug of the instrument bottom shell back. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws on both sides of the instrument bottom shell. Use a 2.5mm hexagon socket wrench to screw in one fixing screw.